way up to another trip today. I mean, this is one of the hindi ko talaga pinapaalam, but I wanted to vlog this one. So maybe may ma-inspire na mag-travel down south. This is my first time taking or flying from Zamboanga International Airport. And I'm telling you, this airport right here, voila, it doesn't disappoint. And what I like about this airport, it feels so new, the furnitures are new, the ambience is so clean, you just want to sit there and wait for your flight. Amazing. Bienvenidos, Zamboanga. So guys, I'm off to another destination today, but I wish I could make it a secret, but this is one thing I really wanted to tell people, especially those who are following me. Now you can actually go to this place alone on your own without anybody. Alone on your own without anybody. Triple redundancy. Yeah, and I don't have any expectation. I'm a bit excited, but at the same time I have to be cautious. But yes, I've been to Basilan, I've been to Sulu, and this time around, this is the southernmost province in the Philippines. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna make sure that I'll enjoy and I'll learn as much as possible. But today I'm making a big leap of faith. So while waiting for a flight, I met this guy. Ayan, so may nakilala ako dito sa Zamboanga International Airport. Papunta sa Manila. Pero lagi-lagi siya before sa Tawi-Tawi. Sir, anong name po?
Cesar.
Sir, yes, Sir Cesar. Ayan. Sir, so ano pong masasabi ninyo na first time po pupunta ng Tawi-Tawi?
Masasabi ko is feel at home po. Walang bulikado doon, lahat ng paradan. Fishable, tangisi. At sila doon, wala silang tinitingnan, ng kurit ka na ako.
Okay. Meron ka bang doon, sir? May kakilala ka ba doon na pwede kong papuntahan or recommended na ma-stayan for 3 nights? Kasi for 3 nights ako din si Tawi-Tawi.
Hindi, meron na sa Facebook.
Oh.
Pero sa'yo naman, doon naman, wala naman ibay natin.
Okay.
Meron ka ng...
Pero Sir Cesar, kailan yung last mong punta ng Tawi-Tawi?
2010.
2010. Taga saan po kayo?
Dito, Zamboanga.
Dito sa Zamboanga.
Actually, Navy ako.
Navy. Okay.
Doon ako, pag naka-sign up ko, 3 months, at ko na dito.
Okay.
Pero 3 months na naman, kapalit ko doon sa Tawi-Tawi. Kapalit na, kahit nga kami sundalo, hindi kami nagdalawa sa kami.
Okay. Until now, Navy pa rin po kayo. Okay. Ayan, si Sir pala is Navy. Sir, salamat po. Sir, ano pong masasabi ninyo sa ating yung mga nagbabalak na pumunta ng Tawi-Tawi? Yan. Anong advice niyo po sa kanila?
Vlog sa lang namin kanila. Lahat ng mga tao doon, parang napansin natin, zero price na. Maliban din sa mga pamilya. Ang malimit lang kasi nangyayari ng katulong away, pamilya sa pamilya.
Yeah, ang rido.
Rido. Sabing rido. Pumunta yun sa kanila.
Apa.
Pero yung nagsabing pupunta ka doon, tapos bigla kang awayin, o pagsamantalang na lahat ng tao ng tiro. Nasa, I recommend ko rin na pwede kayo mamasolve. Pwede kayo matakot. Pumunta sa sariling bahay natin.
Okay. Sabi nga nila daw, sir, hindi mo daw ma-appreciate yung pagiging Pilipino talaga kung hindi mo napuntahan yung Basilan, Sulu at Tawi-Tawi. It's safe to say, sir, na mas safer sa Tawi-Tawi. Okay. Alright. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapa-unlock sa akin ng video. Ayan, si Sir pala ay Navy. For how long na kayo, Sir?
26 years.
Wow. So Sir Cesar, 26 years na sa Navy and binigyan niya tayo ng chance na mapa-unlock yung panayam. Sir, maraming salamat po. Yes. Thank you. Sad to say, I had to cut short the conversation kasi tinawag niya yung pangalan ko. Yep, and for almost an hour, I arrived safely in Sanga Airport, Tawi. It's almost 5 p.m. and I had to find a place to stay because hindi pa sumasagot yung kausap ko and palobat na ako. So see you in the next vlog!